Alright everybody, so these are the originals. I popped one out already just to make sure that everything goes good. These are the LED turn signal ones. I'll post a link in the comments where you can get them. You can get them on Amazon, eBay, a bunch of other places. Only tool you're going to need is some sort of pry bar. This is made for panels. You could probably get away with a screwdriver if you don't care about your paint. But this is a relatively easy task, so don't be scared to try it. So looking at the marker light, this is the back of the car going this way, front of the car is going that way. You're going to take your pry tool and you're going to get up behind there, and so easily it just pops out like that. So if you look on the back here, this is where the bulb goes. Simply pull a little bit. Might be a little bit of a pain, but you can see there's the fitting. Here's your socket, and then this is a 194 bulb, so if you need to change the bulb, throw a new one in and you can move forward. But if you're like me and you're going with these LED assemblies, you got a little bit more work to do. So next, all you got to do is plug the assembly in. Make sure that you have your polarity correct. So push them in like so. And then what I do, just to make sure, is I'm going to unlock the doors just to make sure it lights up, which it does, so that's good. So then this goes back into there. And then there's a little lip. So if you look on the back here, this has got to catch onto the fender, and then you have your locking tab on the front, and simply just push it on back. And then you can step back and admire your work. Let's hit unlock again so you can see what they look like. I think they're way more modern looking, considering this car has got 300,000 miles. Little details that I think will make it a little bit nicer.